take an aim. Hey guys, how's it going? We're out here in SoCal BLM desert, and I've gotten a couple of inquiries from you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to answer those in this short video, I hope. People have asking me, can you deploy the safety? Can you basically put the safety down with the folder folded? And the answer is yes, you can. Gonna show you, get a close-up right here. Here is the folder, and it's a metal stock, as you can see. Now there's an opening here. Now this opening here does not compromise the sturdiness of the folder. Let me show you. Let's look inside. Look at this inside, as you can see. I hope you can see from this. It's reinforced. You see this plate here. It's actually kind of reinforces the folder. Okay, so this opening, you can put the safety through it, basically. So let me go ahead and fold it. Now it locks here in place, and we can take a look again. So you see this opening here. This is where you can put the safety lever down from this opening here, basically. And it's really easy. Just go like this. So now you can charge the rifle and take a few shots. Now before I charge the rifle, I've seen some of you guys, and that's the other observation. Now when you shoot, you have your cheek right up on the dust cover like that. That's not recommended at all. I don't recommend that you do that at all, by the way. Not recommended. You gotta keep your distance a little bit, and the reason being is the recoil. It's 7.62 by 39, has an endemic recoil. It's not a big deal, but keep your distance a little bit. That's the proper way, like that. So this is the proper way, and then you can take a few shots. Just keep a distance from the receiver cover. So let's go ahead and charge the rifle. Now, when you're charging the rifle on the AK, okay, some people go like this and they charge the rifle. Okay, I don't like to put my finger like that. I go like this. Reason being, when you're charging the rifle in this manner, you can hit your finger. So basically, keep it like that. Obviously, you want to put it in a safe direction, and you charge the rifle. Okay, so now we're ready to shoot. We'll take a couple of shots. So this is the proper way. Keep your distance from the receiver cover. Take an aim. Okay, all right. Now, let's put the safety back on. Right? Let's deploy the folder. Locks in place. This is the preferred method of shooting the rifle, of course. Put the safety down. Take an aim. Okay, we're all good. Safety back on. Thank you guys for watching.